It's time for a Legal Minute with the Law Office of Cooley Shrair in Springfield. Today we're joined by attorney Don McDonald. We're talking about an employee at will. Now this phrase, employee at will, what does it mean?
What that means is that you can be terminated at any time for any reason or for no reason at all. And in Massachusetts is an at-will state, and the at-will doctrine assumes that both the employer and the employee are working together voluntarily. So an employer can terminate you at any time for any reason, and an employee can leave at any time for any reason.
So it's almost if the power is divided. Anyone can leave on their own accord at any point.
Right.
Is there any time, though, where an employer can fire an employee and it's not appropriate?
Yes, they cannot terminate an employee at will for an illegal reason. And an illegal reason would be any kind of a discriminatory reason, sexual harassment or race discrimination or gender discrimination, something like that. Also, you can't terminate an employee if it's in violation of public policy. So for example, if an employee worked in the food service industry and complained to some regulatory agency that the place was serving bad food, and then the employer terminated that person for making a complaint, that would be an example of what's against public policy.
I understand. So if people out there are watching and they're not sure if they're an at-will employee or not, how can they determine that? And if they need help, what can they do?
Well, they should give their attorney a call, and the attorney can tell them whether they are in fact an at-will employee and advise them as to whether they think there may be some illegal reason why they got fired or whether there's anything at all they can do about it.
Thank you so much. That was your Legal Minute, and for more information, you can just go to cooleyshrair.com.